Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. Many students asked me about these scholarships. So a friend of shared this file with me. So this file got all the scholarships. So it's a one Excel file and I have also uploaded this file on my channel. So the first scholarship is Commonwealth Split Site PhD scholarship. The timeline for this is December and the eligibility is all mentioned over here. Every scholarship got different eligibility, so I won't go in discuss in detail. I don't want to waste somebody's time on that, but if it's not for you, it's not for you. UK India ETS scholarship. So this is the scholarship, this is the requirement. So how to access to that? If you click this link, it will straight away open and you will get to this page. And you will get to this page where you will see the scholarship, all the details and everything. So they have also mentioned the preparation countries who are eligible, the universities, everything. The next one is Biotechnology and Biological Science Research Council. Next one is PhD scholarship, Umber scholarship, faculty fellowship, doctoral fellowship, round 12. Chevening India scholarship. So if I click, for example, Chevening India scholarship, it will take me to the website of Chevening India scholarship and you can see the timeline, you can see all the details on this website. So currently this scholarship is open. If I zoom out, you can see that 5th November, you have time up until 5th November 2024. This is a very good scholarship and it's very good for especially for the students who wanted to come from Commonwealth countries, especially to UK. Next one is Doctoral College Research Fund, Newcastle, Vice Chancellor International Scholarship, Postgraduate Awards, and then NIHR, Newcastle Biomedical Research, and then you also have ncl.ac.uk. So this scholarship is also good. And the academic requirement is if you have MPhil if you have done it, or PhD or something that's your academic requirement. So you select your countries. For example, if you select India over here, and if I select, so this will tell me what's the requirement. So section 1, 65%, or CGPA 6.510. So this is how you can see the requirement, you can see the IELTS requirement. IELTS requirement is usually 5.5, 6.5 overall. This is the normal policy. And how to apply explains you over here. So same for all these scholarships. They tell you that how to apply, what you will get, what will be the scholarship timing. So it's very good. And you can also get you can email them directly. You can also fill the inquiry form if you wanted to know more about this scholarship. Okay, so these are the scholarships. I hope this video will help you. So all these scholarships, I'll put that link in the description so you can download and use it as you go.